हेलो गितेश जी।
हेलो संजीव जी।
वेलकम बैक।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका भी हैदराबाद में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Alright, so Gitesh ji is in new avatar.
Yes.
And this is not an old episode. This is a recently short episode. Okay. Alright, so we are at Luxuria Boutique Homes. Introduction is already given to all the viewers. And since you have come in a new avatar, so apparently we will ask that we have been shooting with you relentlessly, but we have to ask you this: what all we deal into?
Sir, as Luxuria Boutique Homes is a company where we curate new products every time for our clients and provide luxury and lifestyle furniture to all the people, those who are looking for a lifestyle furniture, not just a piece of ready-made furniture to just get and submit in their house. So as a brand, we help our clients in selecting the product, designing the products, selecting them properly, color combinations, placements, and entire conceptualization of the entire project. Whether it's only loose furniture, only modular furniture or full house interiors, we take care about client in every manner.
All right.
So हम उनको पूरा end to end solution provide करते हैं, चाहे वो जो भी स्टेज में हमारे पास आते हैं. अगर उनके पास खाली प्लॉट है तो वहाँ से ले भी हम सर्विस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. If it's an independent villa handed over a builder, our service starts from there also. If the customer has completed the entire interiors of the villa and wants only modular wardrobes and kitchens and furniture, हम वो सर्विस भी देते हैं उनको. या लीस्ट में खाली डेकोरेशन सर्विस चाहिए उनको पूरे घर का,
with the help of loose furniture.
लूज फर्नीचर के साथ में विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग, डेकोर, मर्चेंडाइजिंग एंड एवरी अदर थिंग हम वो पूरा प्रोवाइड करते हैं हमारे क्लाइंट्स को.
ठीक है. All right. So this is the scope of work.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Okay. So आज के एपिसोड में हम क्या दिखाएंगे?
आज के एपिसोड में हम दिखाएंगे फेस्टिव सीजन के न्यूली लॉन्च सोफास.
जी.
तो ये आप ये सोच सकते हो कि फेस्टिव सीजन के पहले हम लोग ये दिखा रहे हैं बिकॉज जितने भी प्री बुकिंग ऑर्डर्स है वो हम अभी से लेना स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं हमारे फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए. लाइक दशहरा एंड दीपावली आपको मालूम होता है इट्स अ जैम पैक सीजन जहाँ पर हमें ऑर्डर्स हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. तो हमने अभी से ही वो ऑफर्स और वो पूरा कलेक्शन जो हम फेस्टिव सीजन में लेके आने वाले थे वो पूरा हमने अभी लॉन्च कर दिया है और उसके ऑर्डर्स लेना स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं क्लाइंट से. तो जिनको भी ये प्रोडक्ट पसंद आता है या फिर whoever is wanting to get this product, they can order it now and take it during the festive time delivery.
All right. So what is the offer?
ऑफर ये है कि सर अगर आप इंडिविजुअल पीस सेगमेंट लेते हो, जैसे एक सोफा ले लिया आपने या खाली एक डाइनिंग टेबल ले लिया आपने, तो उस पर आपको फ्लैट 25% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा फ्रॉम आवर साइड. अगर आप पूरा घर का सामान लेते हो जैसा एक सोफ़ा, डाइनिंग टेबल, बेड्स एंड ऑल सब मिलाकर, अगर आपका मिनिमम टिकट्स वैल्यू 15 लाख MRP जाता है तो वी आर गिविंग फ्लैट 40% ऑफ ऑन बिगर टिकट साइज वॉल्यूम्स.
ऑलराइट.
तो वो आपको 9 लाख में मिल जाएगा. तो इंडिविजुअल पीस आप लोगे, रिटेल आप लोगे तो आपको 25% डिस्काउंट है. अगर आप बल्क लोगे हमारे पास से, चाहे आप B2B से हो या B2C से, आपको 40% डिस्काउंट है.
चलिए, we'll start checking out some sofas now.
Yes.
Right. What is that material we use for structure?
So structure we are using 100% solid wood, which would be either African teak or steam beech wood, depending upon the climatic conditions and the area in which it is going.
All right. So point should be taken when those who fiddle with the pricing part, they should make a note of it.
Sir,
so this is one.
For them, we have only one thing. We will request them to fly down to Hyderabad or come down to our showroom. Try to move our sofas, and if they are able to move the sofas by single-handedly or double-handedly also, then they can take that sofa for free.
All right.
Now the next one is a very beautiful sofa, a beautiful color. Barbie is in the season, so we have got a Barbie sofa at store.
All right. So introducing sea pink.
Yeah.
Or peach.
Peach. So this is a sofa where you define royal luxury.
Okay.
हमने ये सोफा इसीलिए क्रिएट किया है. We wanted to educate people कि बॉस खाली कार्विंग सोफा रखने से अब रॉयल सोफा नहीं होता है.
जी.
Okay. You can keep an upholstered sofa and still make the sofa look very royal.
Very true, very true.
Okay.
Agreed.
So this is a royal modern luxury house where people have to understand कि ठीक है पूरा टीकवुड सोफा कर या फिर FRP का सोफा खरीद कर उसके ऊपर फैब्रिक करने से रॉयल लग्जरी नहीं. You can also introduce luxury with comfort.
Okay.
This is the most comfortable model, one of the most comfortable models that we have. Beautiful handrest, beautiful chester on the back. Cushions भी इसके बहुत dedicatedly है. Even the motifs that we have planned are of gold and wood. Legs उसके beautiful black piano finish में दिया हुआ है.
ठीक है.
Everything is planned well and even it's customized. आप अगर कस्टमर को ये क्रीम एंड ब्राउन में चाहिए तो हम we can give.
डुअल कलर में.
डुअल कलर में, क्रीम कलर में चाहिए we can give it to them. we have wantedly kept it in the peach color कि ठीक है ये कलर में भी सोफा जब इतना रॉयल दिख रहा है, then in a fluorescent color if something is looking royal, not modern.
Okay.
So in royal colors, how will that look? People can imagine.
All right. You are giving me a reason to think a lot of questions, but I'm actually restricting myself. I've restrained myself not because I have sore throat, otherwise also because I didn't want to make a very long video. But
Yes.
talking about, there are two versions. You said the colors can actually make your design ideas look very different.
Yes.
Fluorescent, of course, is very outlandish color, but it's very studio color. A lot of people use it and experiment it nicely with grey.
Yes.
The Barbie goes very well. This Barbie sofa, the peach color, this goes very well with grey.
This can go very well with grey. This can go very well with white. This can go very well with your Pantone tones.
Okay.
Any of the Pantone colors that you take. जैसे मेरे पास में आप देखोगे वो wall पे I have got teal blue, I have got peach, I have got black, I have got yellow.
Right.
But the thing is that our models are so colorful and so outlandish that in this colorful ambience also they come out standing out.
Right.
अगर मैं plain ambience कर दूं पीछे तो फिर यही product ही दिखेगा घर में.
Very true, very true.
So
okay.
that's the difference.
Okay. Second thing is, quickly, when we talk about the comfort comes from different things. Comfort comes from the height and width, how you are sitting, the posture.
Yes.
Second is the touch of the fabric. Second and the third is the scale. The deeper sofa is, the more comfortable it becomes,
Yes.
right? Is it right?
It is right up to an extent. It totally depends on the person's height. It is proper
No, what I'm saying is,
ergonomics.
of course, it is curated according to your taste
Yes.
and your size and your anatomy, of course.
Yes.
But these are the scales that you remember.
Absolutely.
And the foaming also is
Yes.
this, right?
Yes.
All right.
Foaming, the fabric and the
Scales.
proper structure.
Okay.
Like seat के depth के हिसाब से फिर back के depth को manage करना, standing leg height manage
Oh, you mean
करना है.
ratios?
The ratios has to be very important. You can't only increase the depth. खाली depth बढ़ाकर handles और back उतना रख दिया तो वो फिर आपका अलग दिखेगा और आने के बाद अलग दिखेगा.
True. Visually will
the
be
scaling of the
distorted.
sofa should be done in a proper way that okay, if the client wants to increase the depth, there are certain parameters in the factory. Okay, if the depth is increasing, these all things also should be considered.
Oh, recently we have seen it. One of the studios, I have experimented. I have seen it live example. Somebody squeezed the 3-seater into 2-seater. And it was a curvaceous sofa from the back. And technically, I was trying to explain them that you cannot make rectangular into a square. The moment you make it to 2-seater, it becomes a square.
Yes.
It is a rectangular sofa. So those curves, had it been straight line, no problem. But there were curves on the back. So the moment 3-seater converted into 2-seater, your
All
curves
the
will
curves are
become
gone.
gone. So from the nice soft curves, it becomes more like a rose petal.
That is the reason, sir. We are displaying 3-2 wherever only 3-2 is required. This sofa in single seater, according to my design team, it will not look good.
Right.
It will look too bulkier. Okay. Now we will take it to other sofas where we have introduced 3-2-1, making it gelling in the model,
Right.
not changing from the model.
Right. Okay. How much is this for?
1 second, sir.
Sure.
So this sofa is like 3,49,000 MRP, total 4+2, and 40% off on that.
All right. Done. Let's move on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, there is a beautiful center table along with it, and
Yes,
it's
sir.
going well with it.
Yes,
Otherwise, you can go for white color composite marble on the top, right?
Absolutely, sir. Either we match it with white. हमने इसको piano black जैसा दिया हुआ है पूरा नीचे, उसके हिसाब से black marquina top match किया है इस पे. So now this is a very beautiful set of 2 center table. After the offer, this is like 59,000 में center table आपको set of 2 मिल जाएगा.
चलिए ठीक है. Beautiful cherry blossom to match with it. Moving on to the next one now.
Now this is a very beautiful royal luxury set again.
All right.
Okay, this is inspiration from a brand again of in Italy.
I was about to say that.
Yeah.
But I refrain such statements because there's nothing wrong in doing the copy, or I'm saying I was waiting for it to come, but very honestly you mentioned it.
Sir, I'll tell you, it's not about copy, it's just about inspiration. We are not taking 100% of that thing. Okay, but we are getting inspired by great designers in the world.
Right.
They are.
And actually, honestly speaking, I mean, let's have a small conversation on this. I personally feel there's nothing wrong in getting inspired. Even if it's
There's
copying is
nothing
also
wrong.
fine.
No,
Because-
we as a human being, we see others and get inspired.
Right. Our products are inspiring them.
Yes.
Some of
our products are inspiring someone else. We are getting inspiration from somewhere
Right.
else.
That's how the whole
and
world
he is
works.
getting inspiration from somewhere else.
Exactly.
So there is nothing that you can't get inspired. How are you fusioning it?
That is
देखिए,
important.
एक होता है सेम रेप्लिका बनाना और एक होता है उसको लेना, अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स, व्हाट आर द गुड थिंग्स फॉर यू take it off, and what are the additional things with respect to Indian audience and everything, you add it off.
All right.
तो हम वो दोनों को देखकर हमने हमारा इंस्पिरेशन से एक इंस्पिरेशन बनाया है.
Right, but there's another perspective. When sometimes people steal it and arrogantly show it off as their own original copyright product, then it looks obnoxious.
That is different, sir. Now
Right.
that person
you
is not,
yourself said that is inspired, so
Yes.
which is polite and humble.
it is an
right?
inspired product.
Okay. Okay, moving on to this one now.
Yeah.
Let's show it to our viewers. And I know this is Bentley or Roberto Cavalli?
Roberto Cavalli.
Roberto
Inspiration
Cavalli.
taken from there.
All right. Okay. But they use beads here, right? Rather
They
than
use
using,
beads. Yeah, so they use beads
Oh, that's
here.
the kind of modification you made.
That is one modification that we have made. We have introduced metal elements
Okay, at the bottom of
in
it.
the bottom of this so that Indian mopping cleaning के लिए उसको problem ना हो.
Okay.
Pleat designs हमने थोड़ा change किया
You
है
have reduced
उससे.
the number of pleats also.
Yes.
His pleats were a little slimmer,
Slimmer.
right?
Yes.
Okay. This is what he made the bed also out of it.
There is a bed also out of it, and we have that as well.
You have it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when the customer is wanting that, we can share them the photograph of that. So
All right.
this is just an inspiration that we have taken from the greatest designers. Okay. So the structure and every other thing, the design and the color inspirations are from them. But yeah, in Roberto Cavalli there are a lot of changes that we have made with respect to Indian standards.
Right.
वो beads का हम लोगों को लगा कि whenever people are sitting and touching, keeping their hands on that, there were balls.
Right.
तो वो उनको hurt हो रहे थे.
Exactly.
तो हमने फिर इसके लिए उसको buttons में convert किया so that hurting is less.
True.
And moreover, even in the back side, the pleating and every other thing, थोड़ा costing भी बचाने के लिए और बाकी थोड़ा fluffiness थोड़ा अच्छा रखने के लिए हमने pleat का size इसमें चेंज किया है. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, प्लीट सोफास में रेगुलर सोफास से 5 गुना ज्यादा कपड़ा लगता है.
Definitely fabric का length ज़्यादा लगा हुआ है इसमें.
यस, फैब्रिक 5 गुना ज्यादा लग जाता है. बट दिस इज व्हाट द एंटायर सेट लुक्स लाइक.
True. And this one thing that we have to notice this, your designs and your fabric, they have to be in sync with each other.
Absolutely.
This cannot be done with any printable designs because because a lot of pleats are
Yes.
creating a pattern.
Yes, pleats
You
are
cannot
creating
go
a pattern.
for
Either
Meru
you take
design.
a ready-made pattern or you create a pattern. You can't mix and match both.
Right. You cannot go for Meru print or you cannot go for tropical
Sabyasachi,
print.
you can't go anything in this.
Otherwise your print will be lost into
Yes,
it.
plain is the best product here.
Right. And also this no marks, there's a sheen into it. That also creates some value.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now talking too much about design side, we're talking about the cost now.
Yes, sir.
But before that, theme.
Theme ultra luxury again. This
And
season
modern?
we have got all ultra luxury sofas. चाहे लोग हमारे से खरीदे या किसी और से सेम फोटो बनवा के खरीदे बिकेंगे तो यही मॉडल्स.
जी. तो ये मॉडर्न कॉन्टेम्पररी हाउस के लिए परफेक्टली
मॉडर्न
सूटेबल है.
कॉन्टेम्पररी हाउस, अल्ट्रा लग्जरी हाउस, नियो क्लासिक हाउस, इट विल गो एवरीवेयर सर.
ठीक है. So this is generic.
Yes, this is generic.
Okay.
We have got all models in such a way that they are generic. It totally depends on people's personal liking and taste. कि how they, which model they want to buy.
All
And
right.
this is just we are showing 9-10 sofas today. Apart from that, we have a full set of catalog of 100 plus sofas from which the client can select.
How much is this for?
This sofa, sir, MRP would be somewhere around. Now this is a total set 4211.
Grey wine.
Yes.
Wine color and grey color.
Grey color.
combination.
So that neo classic में भी जाएगा तो ये थोड़ा it gels. If there is some grey background or some, if there is some designer background, grey can go there, and maroon can even just get the highlighter.
ठीक है, done. So
Yes.
there is 4211.
Yeah, 4211. The MRP would be around 4,25,000 rupees.
4,21,000 rupees minus 25%.
Minus 25% if they are taking only one set, and if they are taking full house or crossing 15 lakhs MRP, minus 40%.
चलिए, moving on to the next one. अगला देखेंगे अभी हम. कहाँ चलेंगे?
This way.
All right.
Arm
Okay.
tooth.
On stock tooth. Last time also we showcased this. How was the response?
There's a very beautiful response that we got for this sofa from retail also, from B2B also, and from everywhere.
Okay.
So we are quite happy with the performance of this sofa, sir.
All right. I just loved it. I don't know. I mean, there are a couple of reasons. One of them is this being very slim. And I like the fabric. And appropriately used. People very irrationally use this hound's dog tooth fabric.
Houndstooth too, and moreover now it's in trend right now. You can see houndstooth everywhere. Even Versace has made a beautiful outfit coat
Okay.
of the same fabric in fur.
Get me half a meter. I'll make something for myself.
Half meter में क्या होगा सर?
I'll make collars. I can't afford full length. All right, coming back to the serious conversation.
Yeah.
All right, so this is an expensive fabric. I can't afford the full jacket, but I can definitely try
But
to
now
make
as we are
collars.
making it in bulk, we have got the pricing into a very beautiful control.
Okay, all right. ठीक है. तो ये what is this basically print तो एक अपनी जगह है.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन ये स्वेट पे भी प्रिंट होता है, कॉटन पे भी प्रिंट होता है, लिनन पे भी
सर
प्रिंट होता
ये
है.
एक्चुअली प्रिंट नहीं है, ये वीविंग है पूरा.
अच्छा,
So there is two different fabrics used, one is black and one is white.
राइट.
So ये जब मशीन में दोनों फैब्रिक का थ्रेड लगा के छोड़ा जाता है, ब्लैक के जगह पे ब्लैक स्टिच होता है, व्हाइट के जगह पे व्हाइट स्टिच होता है.
अच्छा.
So while making it only the fabric comes this way.
All right, but
This
there
is
are
not a
printable segments.
You can get that in printable segment also. Print का कॉस्ट बहुत कम होता है. Okay, but this is like weaving. Weaving का कॉस्ट कभी भी ज्यादा आता है.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है.
तो वो जब तक ये फोटो में नहीं, जब कोई आके लाइव देखेगा ना ये, तभी वो समझ पाएगा कि प्रिंट और वीविंग में डिफरेंस क्या है.
ऑलराइट. अब फैब्रिक के ऊपर थ्रेड पे डिपेंड करेगा कि वो कौन सा थ्रेड यूज हो रहा है.
Yes.
पॉलिएस्टर है या
कॉटन है, कौन सा है वो उसके ऊपर जाएगा.
चलिए, अब इसका भी क्या थीम है, इसका क्या सेगमेंट है? नाइस.
सर दिस इज नियो क्लासिक, प्योर नियो क्लासिक.
बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर.
Because of the color, you can change the color and get it into modern and every other thing
Contemporary
also. Contemporary
Alright.
also.
Black, whites and reds and black and whites, these are the basically neoclassical themes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Moving on to this one now. I like this center table.
Yeah, this is hammered glass and marble combination.
This is from Italy?
No, this is made in Luxurio.
This was introduced recently in Saloni, Italy.
Yes.
They use ripple finish, they use hammered, they use different finish.
Everything is there available with us now, sir.
लेकिन
We
नीचे
have
की
got
तरफ
all
से
the
होता है ना वो?
materials. हाँ?
इसमें ऊपर की तरफ से, नीचे की तरफ से.
इसमें आपकी चॉइस है सर. अभी तो हमने ऊपर की तरफ से रखा हुआ है, नीचे की तरफ से भी रखा हुआ है. It's a two-sided
अभी
one.
तो लॉन्च हुआ है थोड़े दिन पहले.
हाँ, तो मटेरियल आने में कितना टाइम लग जाता है सर? रॉ मटेरियल कम्स फास्टर.
ओके, आई लाइक दैट.
इंस्पिरेशन मिलते ही आपको इंस्पिरेशन पे वर्कआउट करना स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. इज आवर टीम्स मोटो.
ओके, दिस इज वेरी नाइस. इनफैक्ट आई एम सो ग्लैड टू सी दिस. इसमें एक और फिनिश आता है कि जिसमें ना सर्कल से रिपल्स बनते हैं.
दैट इज रिपल शीट.
हाँ,
आपको वो रिपल लेना होगा.
राइट.
वो भी बाय नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल बी गेटिंग इट हियर.
वेरी
इट्स इनटू प्रोडक्शन.
दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली न्यू थिंग, नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन इंडिया. And they created on both the sides, either reverse side of it or on the top side of it.
We have on both the sides here.
All right. Okay. I just loved it. Are they available in different colors? Because it's more like a smoky gray.
Currently, we have ripple finishes in black tinted, brown tinted, and the stocks are coming in pink tint and blue tint also.
Wow.
तो वो हिसाब से हम लोग 4-5 वैरायटीज का कलर्स में रख रहे हैं अभी.
चलिए, this is going to be a trendsetter, I feel so, because
Absolutely, ripple,
Italy was full of it.
Ripple stones भी आ रहे हैं अभी, countertops and every other thing. So
let me capture that.
So yeah, we are getting ripple stones also, where we can make center tables, coffee tables, dining tables of all those things.
Okay.
And by our next seasonal video, we'll be definitely doing that.
All right, done. How much is this for, center table?
This center tables, our MRP is 2,24,000, and after discount,
what is it? White part? Sorry, I'm sorry.
White part is pure Italian marble, sir.
Okay, you said 2,25,000.
2,25,000 MRP है. Discounts as follows, जैसा सभी पे है.
ओके, ये थोड़ा सा टास्क होता है बिकॉज इटालियन मार्बल का वन लॉग में पूरा एक सिंगल लॉग में आपको
सिंगल लॉग एंड कट लाइक दैट सर. वो खाली ऊपर से पेस्टेड नहीं है.
डन. और दूसरा पार्ट जो सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म में है वो भी मार्बल है.
वो भी मार्बल ही है. उसको भी लॉग में पूरा सर्कल्स कट कर ही पूरा लॉग है. इट्स अ वेरी हैवी पीस.
चलिए, एंड सोफा फॉर हाउ मच?
सोफा सर MRP इज अराउंड 2,99,000. आफ्टर डिस्काउंट 1,80,000 का 4-to-1 का सेट है ये.
चलिए, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. अगला देखते हैं.
Now this is one of our hottest selling models again in different colors.
जी.
हमारे डिस्प्ले पे से ये मॉडल हटना बहुत मुश्किल है. The most comfortable model in lounger till now. इसीलिए फिर हमने दूसरे लॉन्जर्स भी इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं ताकि इसको कंपटीशन मिल पाए.
Okay, creating in-house competition.
Definitely sir, because one model selling around in every places doesn't make any sense for us.
Very true, very true.
हमें सेम मॉडल नहीं बेचना है, हमें डिफरेंट इनोवेटिव मॉडल्स बेचने हैं हर जगह.
Okay.
So we want client to come up with their models also कि गिरीश जी मेरे को ये बनाना है and I'll give them the best price for that.
All right. Talking about L corner, generally L corner कौन लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं?
L corner तो हर घर में एक जाता ही है सर. What I believe is.
अच्छा. एल कॉर्नर का इन्वेंशन ही कैसे हुआ? जनरली सोफास तो 322, 311 से इन्वेंट हुए थे.
हाँ, तो जब से लोग लेजी होना चालू हो गए तब से एल कॉर्नर का इन्वेंशन हो गया.
ये तो बात हो गई मजाक की. अब बात हो गई एक्चुअलिटी की. स्पेस को मुझे लगता है कंस्ट्रेंट रहा होगा.
नहीं, स्पेस कंस्ट्रेंट्स के अलावा भी यूसेज एंड यूजेबिलिटी बदल गई है लोगों की.
अच्छा.
अभी पहले आप जब घर में रहते थे तो आप खाली सोफे पे बैठा करते थे, ठीक है, डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठा करते थे, रूम में जाके सोते थे
जी.
बट अभी आपका लिविंग स्टाइल ऐसा हो गया है कि आपके टीवी रूम में यू वांट टू लाई डाउन फॉर 3-4 आवर मूवी. पहले 3-4 घंटे की मूवीज हम खाली सिनेमा में देखते थे. अभी 10-10 घंटे हम घर में देख रहे हैं OTT पे.
वो भी बात सही है.
ठीक है, तो अपना लाइफस्टाइल चेंजिंग की वजह से ये अडेप्टनेस आया हुआ है कि लाउंजर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू आर इनटू अ फैमिली रूम, आपके बच्चे लेट गए आपके साथ में, यू सेंड योर फैमिली टाइम. सपोज व्हेन आई गो होम बैक, आई लाई डाउन ऑन माय लाउंजर एंड माय किड्स आर विद मी देयर. तो वो जो एक मोमेंट होता है ना आपको अपने फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड करने
This
का,
is one.
वो वहाँ पर मिल जाता है। सबका
अब
अपना
अगर मैं
अपना
आपको
एक
बहुत
होता है।
प्रिसाइजली पूछूं कि एक फॉर्मल सिटिंग के लिए 322, 311 ये सब चलता है, अपार्टमेंट्स हो या इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस,
यस
लेकिन वो अपार्टमेंट्स जिनके पास थोड़ा अबंडेंस में स्पेस नहीं होता है, दे हैव रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, दे जनरली प्रेफर एल कॉर्नर बिकॉज दे बिलीव एल कॉर्नर गिव्स देम मोर फंक्शनैलिटी।
सी दैट इज देन एल कॉर्नर, नॉट अ लाउंजर।
राइट।
एल कॉर्नर में क्या हो जाता है, आपका एल शेप में सोफा टर्न हो जाता है पूरा, एंड यू गेट गुड अमाउंट ऑफ लॉन्ग सीट्स कि आपके पास ज्यादा लोग भी आ गए तो यू कैन जस्ट अकोमोडेट एंड मेक देम सिट।
एंड लाउंजर में क्या फर्क है?
लाउंजर में आपका जो होता है बैक रेस्ट और हैंडल टर्न नहीं होता है।
अच्छा,
एल कॉर्नर में आपका हैंडल और बैक रेस्ट पूरा टर्न होके आएगा।
अच्छा, एंड तक होगा वो?
एंड तक होगा, एंड भी होगा, टर्न भी होगा एल कॉर्नर।
अच्छा, तो ये ओके, नाउ आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड आफ्टर हैविंग रेड सो मच। आई मीन आई स्टिल, मैं इसीलिए कहते हैं कि देयर इज नो एंड टू लर्निंग। First is the formal sitting 322, 311. These are the formal ones.
Yes.
Second is the L corner, where you have complete arms.
Where you have complete arms running around through the body.
And then you have got
Third is a
sectional
lounger.
sofa.
Yes, this is sectional.
Sectional sofa, L corner.
Sectional sofa. Sectional sofa means that they are like this. They are not L corners.
Okay. All right. So, okay, gone are the days when Dad used to go to the furniture store and pick out something that of his choice. Now
It's
people
gone.
want to curate according to their taste and liking.
Yes.
This is one of them.
Yes.
So you have to create, you are basically creating a division between your dining space and your formal space.
Yes.
At the same time, you don't want to block this with the back.
Yes. So anyone who has a dining, living and a kitchen
Is it common?
as a common open view and doesn't want any blockages in between.
Okay.
So they can use something like this instead of partitions and all.
Alright.
तो आपको visual breakers भी हो जाएगा वो, movement spaces भी अच्छे दे देगा वो. And moreover, see, you will see one entire space open.
Right.
You are not blocking it with walls, partitions or any other thing.
Right.
जितना घर ओपन दिखेगा उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा is what our feel is.
True. इसका एक सेक्शन सोफा का फायदा एक और ये भी होता है, इसको आप अलग तरह से भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Somebody can sit this side अगर somebody is cooking in the kitchen, right?
Yes.
So you can interact with them.
It's a multi-purpose setting.
Right. So we'll not talk about any more detail now about the technicalities like material cost. How much is this for otherwise?
So the MRP of this sofa is 3,24,999.
All right.
And discount के बाद में around 175-180 के आसपास में ही आ जाएगा आपको.
चलिए, let's go to the next one now.
Yeah.
And this one is totally different from the rest. Today we discussed almost everything. Barring
Yes.
carving, we did everything.
Yes.
Okay. This sofa belongs to a different segment altogether.
Yes, sir. This sofa is a total different segment. This is an Italian lounger with backrest adjusters, neckrest adjusters, lounger and a recliner as well in this. So this is a pure leather sofa and very very comfortable model. इसमें जो हमने foam use किया है वो भी orthopedic foam हमने introduce किया है इसमें.
जी.
So which is good for people having L5, L6 problem or back pain issues.
All
हम
right.
ये foam का configuration कोई भी दूसरे sofas में भी दे सकते हैं. But as a display center we have used different configurations here. So जब लोग आएंगे उनको अलग अलग सोफे पे बैठेंगे तो सब में अलग अलग comfort मिलेगा. So they
All
have to
right.
pick their right comfort for them.
All right. Or
Yes.
they have to inform you.
Yes.
Done.
Now this is a sofa with the entire recliner is coming out. ये भी हमारा one of the hottest selling
This
models
gives you with
है.
the calf supportive. I remember last time we
Yes.
discussed this.
So this gives you the leg support, calf support, back,
Right.
seat,
And head support.
lumbar support and your
course, head support.
what do you say, neck support also.
All right. What is this material used in this?
Which one?
This material is
This is
leather?
leather.
Okay, but this mint green color can be achieved on leather?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
All
get
kind
leathers
of
in
colours.
many colors.
All right. And what is the other color? This more like Benjamin beige sort grey?
No, this is grey. We call it to be cement grey or suede grey.
Uh-huh.
So grey and teal is one of color combination that we have used it here. बाकी कस्टमर के ऊपर है वो जैसा भी चाहे कलर कॉम्बिनेशन हमें दे सकते हैं उनके घर के हिसाब से.
Done.
We
This
try
is more
to be
like
little
again the
trendy.
same sectional sort of thing.
Yes, this is a sectional.
Okay. Done.
इसमें अगर वही हैंडल घूम के राइट टर्न हो जाएगा तो वो आपका
L corner
एल
बन
कॉर्नर हो जाएगा.
चलिए. How much is this for?
This sofa, sir, after discount, we are giving this sofa in approximately 1,80,000 rupees.
Okay. Done. What is this bed?
Yeah, this is the Beauclerk fabric bed.
Wow.
Again, inspired from a beautiful brand.
Oh, I just loved it. Okay, इसका ज़्यादा डिटेल हम बाद में देंगे पर अप्रॉक्सीमेट कॉस्ट क्या होगी बिकॉज वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट सोफास. Hitesh, we need to sign out now. This episode is getting a little longer than expected.
Yes, sir.
Usually it happens between us. Okay, time to sign out. But how much is this for?
So this MRP is 2,25,000 rupees
Okay,
with storage.
all right, beautiful. With storage 2,25,000 rupees. How long does it take to make this? Because I know it's a tedious process.
So I have to check my records for that because इसको बना
Approximately?
मिनिमम 7 से 8 दिन का काम है सर ये सोफे में.
Okay.
4 people, 7 to 8 days they have to work continuously on making this. Apart from the storage thing.
All right.
फैब्रिक स्टिचिंग हो गया, इसका पूरा बॉडी मेकिंग हो गया. ये पूरा सॉलिड वुड है.
अच्छा, वुड में ये पूरा?
ये पूरा सॉलिड वुड में बना हुआ है सोफा. इनफैक्ट द एंटायर फ्रेमिंग इज डन इन सॉलिड वुड. प्लाईवुड में करते हैं तो ये फिनिश नहीं आता उसके ऊपर में. एंड इफ यू कैन सी द फ्लफीनेस ऑफ दिस.
ओके.
तो ये पूरा हार्ड ब्यूटीफुल 4 इंचेस का फोम लेकर उस पे क्विल्टिंग किया हुआ है.
राइट. एंड डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ वोकले फैब्रिक इज अवेलेबल विद अस.
वोकले में भी चाहिए तो मिल जाएगा, प्रिंट में भी, एनी फैब्रिक वी कैन डू दिस.
ऑलराइट. ओके गितेश जी, सो pleasure meeting you once again. Thank you very much. It was fun meeting you. जब भी आपके पास आते हैं, we get to learn a lot of things, and this never comes to an end. Keep this flow always going on.
Thank you,
now
sir.
time to break the ice.
Yes sir. So as you are always aware of these brands sir, so अभी हमें recently South India का most promising luxury furniture manufacturing brand का award मिला है from a very reputed company. तो इसी खुशी में हम लोग अपने सभी यूज़र्स को जो ये पैकेज लेने वाले हैं हमारे से 40% ऑफ का फुल हाउस इंटीरियर्स का, उनके लिए हम लोग एडिशनल फर्स्ट 5 यूज़र्स को, फर्स्ट 5 क्लाइंट्स को एडिशनल 10% डिस्काउंट और प्रोवाइड करेंगे हमारे इस खुशी में.
All right. Thank you very much.
And this offer is not for retail clients. This offer is not for online clients. This offer is only for Claptrap clients.
Okay.
Yes.
That makes us feel all the more privileged.
Yes sir.
And this is valid, as we said, that all the offers, including this one,
Yes.
they are valid only for the month of August 2023.
Absolutely sir.
Right? Okay. Even if you want delivery in the month of September,
Anytime you
October,
want
November,
delivery, there is
December,
no issue. If you are
but you have to block the order right now.
Yes, if you have Gurpresh in 2024 also, there is no problem. आपको ये ऑफर चाहिए तो आपको अभी ब्लॉक करवाना पड़ेगा ऑफर.
All right. Thank you very much, and thanks a lot for such a wonderful generosity.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
see you very soon.
Thank you.